In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Google Translate extension in Google Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser. In the address bar at the top, go to the Google Translate extension page in the Chrome Web Store. You can find it by searching for Google Translate in the Chrome Web Store, or by typing the correct store link if you already have it. Once you land on the correct page, take a moment to look for the blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Next, click the blue Add to Chrome button. After you click it, Chrome will show a pop-up window. In that pop-up box, click the option labeled Add Extension to confirm. This confirmation matters because it prevents accidental installs and ensures Chrome knows you are intentionally adding the tool. Now that the extension is installing, you might see a short progress change in the browser. During this time, Chrome is downloading the extension files and connecting it to your browser. Wait for the installation to complete. When it finishes, you will typically be able to see the extension appear in your browser extensions area. After installation, we will set up quick access so it is easy to use right away. Look at the top right corner of your Chrome window, near the browser menu. Find an icon shaped like a puzzle piece, which represents your extensions. Click that puzzle piece icon to open the extensions menu. This is where Chrome lists installed extensions and lets you manage them. Once the extensions menu is open, look for Google Translate in the list of installed extensions. It may be near the top, or it might be grouped with other extensions, depending on how many you have installed. Find the correct entry that clearly says Google Translate. Now pin the extension to your toolbar. In the same row as Google Translate, locate the pin icon. Click the pin icon next to Google Translate. Pinning is important because it keeps the Translate button or access icon visible on your toolbar. You will have fast access during browsing, which saves time and makes the extension feel seamless. And that covers everything you need to know.